I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the exact Google account that stores WhatsApp backups, because removing a backup from the wrong account won't free space. Once signed into Drive, Google.com on a desktop browser, go to the gear icon and open Settings to ensure you have full controls. This step avoids app-limited views. Make sure you're using the account where WhatsApp created the backup, and proceed to the next menu. This is the first actionable move to locate hidden app backups. Next, open Settings, then choose Manage Apps so hidden backups appear. Drive lists app data that the regular file view won't show. When you find WhatsApp in that list, you'll see the backup size and a menu. This explains why Drive storage still counts WhatsApp data. Click the menu and select Delete Hidden App Data to remove the backup. Do this intentionally. Drive confirms deletion, because this action permanently removes the cloud copy while keeping local device files intact. Finally, confirm the deletion and then check your Google Drive storage summary to verify freed space. This shows the effect immediately in most cases. If you want to prevent future backups, go to My Account. Google.com security third-party apps with account access and revoke WhatsApp's Drive access. If the backup still appears, make sure to sign out and back in or clear browser cache, because stale UI data can hide changes. If that fails, repeat Manage Apps Deletion once more to ensure removal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.